Today we are going to add a dual SIM card slot to an US iPhone 15 and expand the original 128GB storage to 512GB according to the customer's request. Of course, we need to do a functionality test on the iPhone 15 before modification. After testing the iPhone 15, we found it works normally. The first step to modify the iPhone 15 is to open a SIM card slot on the iPhone frame. This is the first CNC machine customized in Huaqiangbei, Shenzhen to open slots on iPhone frames. Because Xiaoma's dual SIM card slot solution is popular, a CNC iPhone frame processing industry was born in Huaqiangbei. Salute to Xiaoma. Wish him to be the first rich man in Huaqiangbei soon. After the whole opening is done, our next step is to open the phone and modify the motherboard. According to our repair procedure, we still need to test the phone before opening the iPhone 15. The test results are satisfactory, everything is normal. After removing the screws at the bottom, we open this iPhone 15 from the back. After heating at 88 degrees Celsius on the hot plate for 40 seconds, we start to remove the back panel of the iPhone. We use blades, alcohol, plastic strips to help remove the iPhone back panel. In fact, fingernails are great auxiliary tools for phone repair. To become a phone repair expert, you need to trim and take care of your fingernails well. Continue to remove screws and remove the rear cover. Apply protective tape to the rear camera, and remove the vibrating motor and empty card slot. The US iPhone 15 has an empty metal housing card slot where we opened the hole. We need to modify this empty slot to place our dual SIM card slot. Remove the two connectors on the flexible PCB of the empty card slot, and discard the eSIM chip on the circuit board. Then solder two connectors on our customized flexible PCB. Then solder the dual SIM card slot to the flexible PCB. Without removing the motherboard, directly solder to short 5 pairs of contacts on the motherboard in the phone. Install the welded dual SIM card slot module and vibrating motor module. Insert the SIM card tray, successfully identify 2 signals, and the SIM card modification is done. Our customer also asked to expand the 128GB iPhone 15 to 512GB. We need to remove the iPhone motherboard and use the CNC machine to grind away the 128GB chip. Remove the dust seal gasket and graphene sticker from the motherboard. The CNC machine first locates and then grinds. The BGA chip footprints after CNC grinding need delicate cleaning. The pins of this 512GB BGA chip need to be remade. We will show you the process of making these BGA pins. We then solder the finished BGA chip back onto the motherboard. And put the removed graphene stickers and dust seal gaskets back on the motherboard. Then install the motherboard back into the iPhone. Install the dual SIM card slot module, speaker module, front camera module. Install the iPhone 15 back cover. Use Apple Configurator software to refresh the iPhone 15 iOS software. Today's work of adding a SIM card slot and expanding to 512GB storage on the iPhone 15 is now complete. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.